So, it's running. It's actually called my buddy, help me figure out how to get this thing to idle right, but now as you can see, it idles. Really quiet. Well, for a dirt bike, I guess. So, she fires up. What do you think, Eric, for a GIMP? So, anyway, just got to get the back brake lever. Done. Anybody want to buy it? Okay.